Pink celery is a colorful and delicious twist on its better-known relative, Chinese white celery. Baker Creek founder Jer Gettle found this bubblegum-colored variety at a small seed market while visiting Guangzhou in 2017. Celery is a beloved crop in China, and it's been cultivated since the days of the Han Dynasty about 2,000 years ago. It's an important part of many Chinese soups and stews. Both the white and pink varieties are adaptable and easy to grow, making them a superior choice over the European types so often found in U.S. grocery stores. Pink celery is rare in northern China, but chefs at some of Beijing's top restaurants seek it out for their dishes. The city of 27 million people, and China's capital, has earned an international reputation for fine dining. Pink celery is yummy, with a mildly sweet flavor and light, crunchy texture. And that color! The brilliant flamingo pink plants are a delightful addition to the veggie patch and a huge hit in kids' gardens. Even the baby plants are a stunning shade of neon pink. It's marvelously versatile, too. Pink celery can be harvested and used at any stage. This nutritious, fun variety has boundless potential, and market farmers are sure to appreciate pink celery's novelty and practically carefree cultivation. It's sure to become one of Baker Creek's most popular new varieties.